My name is Nylah and I did a T-level in Design, Surveying and Planning for Construction. And now I work here doing a Design and Build Technician Apprenticeship with Berkeley Group. I chose to do a T-level because I saw the options of T-level and saw the T-level for construction. I spoke to my parents and they encouraged me to give it a try. My T-level was taught with a mixture of classroom lessons, with also using practical tests and seeing the theory side of it. In my first year, we had different teachers who specialised in different aspects of the construction course, creating a holistic approach. We learned about health and safety, design principles, the laws and legislation used in construction. In the second year, we focused on surveying and streamlining our learning processes and helped to see the different surveys that are completed before the site work takes place. We did a mixture of scale drawings and also using software like Revit and AutoCAD to make up floor plans. I enjoyed doing scale drawings as it also ensured that any bits that were being put in the floor plans would fit perfectly. I gained an industry placement at Berkeley Group where I was working with the commercial team and also the technical team. I secured my industry placement after a representative from Berkeley Group came and visited my sixth form. I then filled out an application form and got invited to do an interview and then was offered the role. I got to work on site and see the project in real life and also work on some of the plans and see the behind the scenes work. With the technical team, I looked at some of the layouts created by the architects. I also got to go out on site and see some of the block during its completion stages. Now I'm doing a technical apprenticeship working with the design team where I'm completing a H&C in design and build. Day to day, I'm working on looking at floor plans from the architect, reviewing packages that include doors, wardrobes, windows. Also helping create trackers for the finishes for some of the apartments. Alongside that, I'm also creating handover trackers using information provided on site, and I'm looking at some of the progress across the build.
My name is Hannah Mew. I am the Future Skills Manager for Berkeley St Edward. When I first met Nylah, she was very shy, but now she's thriving. Even from a social perspective, she's the first one to organise socials, attend, network with colleagues, and she's a very key member of our team. And from a work perspective as well, she has done things I know before she wouldn't even expect to do. I think having real life experience on site, working with teams and understanding the role and departments in the business allows for students to gain that exposure. I would encourage businesses to take on as many T-level placements as possible. For Berkeley in particular, it's been extremely beneficial as all our placements have led onto apprenticeships. Nylah being one of our superstars, she's doing amazing.
My experience of a T-level shaped me to who I am today, as it opened up the opportunity for me to complete an apprenticeship with such a great company. Arriving at site every day genuinely feels like a dream because it doesn't seem real, and seeing what we're building is amazing and I can't wait to see the finished product.